Here's how to recover Valorant account without email. First, open your web browser and search for Valorant account recovery. Then, open the first result, which should take you to the official Riot Games website. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find the account recovery option and click on it. This will take you to the account recovery page. Make sure you're on the account recovery tab, then scroll down until you see the account recovery tool. This is an automatic recovery tool, so simply click on Start. The tool will then ask you for some information about your account, including your username, game tag, and summoner name. It may also ask whether you've ever played League of Legends on the account. Then you have to select the region where your account was created. After that, enter your date of birth and provide all the other required information. Once you've entered everything, click on Submit to send your recovery request. If you get an error after submitting the recovery form, click on Submit a Ticket. From here, you'll need to provide some additional information to verify that the account belongs to you. First, enter the original email address associated with the account. Then, when asked whether you still have access to that email, select No. If you have another email address associated with the account, enter it here. If you can access that email, check the confirmation box and click Next. You'll then need to provide a recovery email address where Riot can contact you. Select the appropriate option and continue to the next step. Now, you'll be asked for more information about your account. First, select who created the account, which in this case would be yourself. Then, provide the approximate date when the account was created and the last time you were able to access it. After that, enter where the account was created, and then specify whether anyone else, such as a family member or friend, has ever used the account. You'll also need to explain how you lost access to the account if you know what happened. Next, select the games you've played on the account. In this case, select Valorant. You'll then be asked whether you've ever purchased in-game currency, such as VP or RP. If you have, select Yes, as purchase information can help Riot verify that you are the original account owner. You may be asked to provide payment details or receipts to confirm the purchases. Once you've provided all of the required information, click Next and continue with the recovery request. Next, they'll ask you a few questions about your game history, such as the first agent you unlocked, the first gun you unlocked, and the first skin you upgraded using Radiant points. After answering all of these questions, click on Next to submit the ticket. Your recovery request will then be created, and Riot Games will contact you through your recovery email address. If they can verify that the information you provided matches the account details, they should be able to help you recover your account. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.